Hi there, I'm Dr. Matt Davis. I'm a primary care pediatrician and the director of the CS Mott Children's Hospital National Poll on Children's Health. It's August 2013, and that means it's time for our annual Top 10 list. When the National Poll on Children's Health does a Top 10 list, that means we're giving you the latest measurement of how adults across the country have concerns about children's health. Our annual list provides a way to take the pulse of the American public and its concerns about children and how they're doing. So this month, I'm going to give you our latest list of the top 10 concerns that adults have about children's health in the United States. So here's the list. Number 1 concern, childhood obesity. Number 2, drug abuse. Number 3, smoking and tobacco use. These 3 problems have dominated the top of our top 10 list for the last 7 years. They're all problems related in some way to health behavior. They're also problems that have short-term and long-term health consequences for kids, especially as they grow up into their adult years. Rounding out the top 10 are bullying, stress, alcohol abuse, child abuse and neglect, teen pregnancy, internet safety, and depression. We found some key differences in this top 10 list from the National Poll on Children's Health by the races and ethnicities of the adults who told us about their concerns for the health of kids in their communities. For example, among Hispanics, their number 1 concern was childhood obesity, but their number 2 concern was bullying, followed by number 3, drug abuse. Among African American adults, their number 1 concern was smoking and tobacco use, followed by drug abuse, and then their number 3 concern was school violence. The overall number 1 concern, childhood obesity, was actually number 6 on the list for African American adults. These differences remind us that medical and public health professionals need to be aware of how different communities may perceive the problems of children's health differently based on their own priorities and the needs of their neighborhoods. So this year, in our top 10 list, we have some familiar concerns: childhood obesity, drug abuse, smoking and tobacco use. But we also see some key differences by the races and ethnicities of the adults who told us about their concerns for the health of kids in their communities. If you'd like to learn more about our top 10 list this year, or you'd like to look at how top 10 concerns have changed over time, please go to our website, mottnpch.org. Take a look at our information there, leave us a comment, and let us know what you think about the top 10 list for 2013.